The ALS game is just so important for all of us. Pete puts in so much work for us and loves to see us do well, and it's great for all these people to come out and support him just like we support him every single day.
Today's a huge day for not only our program but Pete Frates, and Pete's been an inspiration to all of us with his battle with ALS, and he's just, none of us got to play with him. He's been a great teammate and goes out and cares for us, and it just goes to show how much of a great guy he was and how much support he gets out here today.
It's awesome to have him around. He keeps you motivated because when you see Pete doing all he does with ALS, it really puts everything in perspective, and it lets you know that if he can work hard and he can do as much as he does for ALS, it makes our job so much easier. It puts everything in a good perspective, and it's obviously a huge motivating factor in everything we do. And it's just great to have him around. It's awesome when you play a good game and you get a text from Pete after, or a tweet, and you see what he's doing to ALS. It really is a great motivator for us, and it's just been awesome having him around.
Yeah, I tell you what, if you're ever a little bit unsure about what Pete means to our program or Pete means to these boys, spend 2 minutes around him when Pete comes to the park and watch the boys light up, or be around them when Pete posts something on Facebook to their group they have, and that's all they're talking about, and they're pumped to see him, they're pumped to hear from him, and there's almost every day one of our captains relays a message from Pete to the team, and so it's funny how much he has taught this team, how much he has taught those boys. It's not surprising, but it's awesome to see.
It's a great opportunity for a lot of people to come out here and support Pete. He's got a huge following. Team Freight Trains is very big around the country. And this is an opportunity for us to say thank you to Pete for all he's done for us, and for a lot of people to come out and support him here at this game today. So we're expecting a huge crowd and a lot of support for him.
Pete just exemplifies everything we want in this program, the type of character he has, the optimism he has when he's fighting this disease. And we always hear the stories about how hard of a worker he was when he played here, and how he fights this disease. Just everything we want in this program.
Yeah, this day, so one of the things I talk to my boys about is, because we want to create leaders here, right, in our program. So one of the things to learn how to lead, first you have to learn how to follow. And this day is us following Pete's lead, right? And the way he leads, among our program, Pete's the one driving the freight train, right? We all know that. So, this day has come from, Pete, when he first got sick, our first time we sat and talked in the office about it, he said his new mission is raising awareness and raising funds to help beat this disease. So that's how we make our decisions, and that's how these decisions around what we're going to do on this day, and that's how they're made. So, for us, it's those two things. What can we do on this day to bring the Bird Ball family together to help work towards Pete's goals? And so we all our boys, myself, all our fans, the Bird Ball family, we're following Pete's lead. That's what we're doing.